Hey guys, want this? In this tutorial, you need the Boris FX Sapphire plugin. Without wasting any time, let's start. Watch closely because I put the overlay of S-Shake first one is change into S-Shake 2. Second one too appears like that. I'm telling you, watch the video closely.
They'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come.
So today's tutorial, hope you all understand it. Subscribe for more tutorials. See you soon, bye.